Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida, and today is going to be a fun one. We've got a nice outgoing tide, moderate sea conditions. It will definitely be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet. But let's go ahead and get our 5-round competition started as we'll roll into the first round. Our first competitor to step in the ring and attempt to do battle with Haulover Inlet's going to be a little whaler. I believe this is a super sport. Let me know in the comments below if I'm wrong on that one, but man, he's gonna have a tough one. It's probably 2 to 3 foot seas today. We got the outgoing tide ripping out of the inlet. Let's see how our guy decides to tackle this one, and he's doing it about right for the size boat he has. The only thing I don't like about this one is that he has the cooler so far forward in the bow of the boat. That extra weight can definitely hinder his ability to keep that bow up, but so far he looks pretty good, and our guy looks like even this little whaler is going to be able to make it out of the inlet today and take a win for the boats here in the first round. Our second round competitor is going to be a sea fox stepping in the ring trying to do battle with the inlet, and here we go. Our crew is making their way out. Let's see how they fare. Haulover's going to throw some waves at them, and my man's going to keep that bow up. They look pretty good so far. Oh man, a big smack, and my man goes down. Haulover just throws the right uppercut, sends the wave over the bow, knocks our dude down in the back of the boat, and that's it in this round. Haulover's gonna take him down and take a win for the inlet here in the second round. Our guy went down pretty good. I really do hope he's okay on this one. He is definitely slow to get up on this, but he does appear to be alright. Our crew is going to continue making their way out, but once again, this is one of the reasons you gotta be careful, especially when you're standing behind the captain. The captain right now may not even be aware this guy went down, so if you're behind the captain, you probably need to take a seat. And here we're going to go ahead and move into the third round of our competition, tied at 1 apiece, and we've got a sea pro stepping in the ring to try and do battle with the inlet. My man's got this boat moving. He's got that throttle down, the boat up on plane, keeping the bow high, and looks solid, especially for the kind of conditions he's facing. In this crew, it's a little bit of a rough ride, but we've got hands in the air, everybody's having fun, and it looks like our crew is going to get out of the inlet without any issues and take a win for the boats here in the third round, which will give the boats an early 2-1 lead as we move into the fourth round of our competition. And here in the fourth round, we're going to feature a Yamaha jet boat, but unfortunately, our crew has found themselves in a little bit of trouble. They lost power as they were making their way into Haulover, and this is the scene that finishes it off here. Fortunately, everybody on the vessel was able to quickly get a life jacket and they were able to be rescued off the boat, but the boat being without power, of course, crews on the side of the inlet decided they were going to try and grab it, bring it in and hold it so it didn't get sucked out, and this is the scene we see here. Sea tow does come in, wind up saving this boat, and fortunately everybody's okay after this situation, but Haulover does take a win in this round, bringing us to a 2-2 tie as we move into our fifth and final round of our competition. And who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover? And here we go with an axopar to finish it out. Now our captain here looks pretty solid. He's got the boat just barely up on plane, and these axopars, they like to slice through the waves. He's got to keep this boat moving. If he slows it down in conditions like this, he'll likely stuff the bow. The crew in the back's taking a little bit of a pounding as they're trying to make their way out of the inlet, but the cap keeps the throttle rolling and looks like they're going to make it out and take a win for the boats here in the fifth round, giving the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.